Hi guys, let's jump right into it. Number 1, stop being pushy and needy. When attracting a woman, it should never be so much about her that you forget your self-worth in the process. A woman who's been in the dating game for a while will realize when you're coming on too strong and she'll feel less interested. I've said it before, people want to feel like they're being chosen out of the many others out there. She'll start to feel suffocated if you don't give her space to breathe. Women love mystery just as much as guys do. She doesn't need to know your whereabouts 24 hours a day. Make her mind wonder. Number 2, build mystery. To build mystery, you have to stop telling her you like her all the time. Instead, insinuate that she wants you. The thing is, it's rare for women to look at a man and decide right away that I like this guy. While this comes more naturally for men, we usually need more convincing because we're more into how a man makes us feel. Create an experience where she feels you're a genuine catch without sounding too boastful. And number 3, make yourself the prize. Say you're meeting up with a woman and her friends. Don't focus on just her. Engage your friends too. Let me explain. Afterwards, she'll talk with her friends and your name will definitely come up. Now, picture her friends saying how much of a good match they think you two are. If her friends want you, there's a very high chance that she will want you too. Number 4, give her space. Independence is extremely sexy. The world doesn't revolve around her. You had a life before her. You'll have one during and even after her. Placing priority on other aspects of your life makes her see she has something she has to work for, which keeps her interested. People naturally like to associate with people who have life going on, not people who don't have much going on in their life. Number 5, self-care. We've all heard it. Look good, dress well, smell nice, work out, etc. Self-care may seem too cliche, but neglecting it might be the main reason you're not attracting women. Women are naturally attracted to men perceived of high status, which makes it so important to work on yourself and make sure you are advancing in life physically, mentally, financially, and spiritually. Confidence kills the game. The more confidence you have about yourself, the more irresistible you are. Never change who you are. Instead, start bettering yourself. Always start within, and you'll win every time.